Creating a Credit Karma account is a straightforward process that allows you to access your credit scores, reports, and personalized financial recommendations. Here's how to create a Credit Karma account. Visit the website. Go to the Credit Karma website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Provide information. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. You may also be asked to provide additional information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number to verify your identity and access your credit information. Agree to terms. Review Credit Karma's terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree to these terms. Verify email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Credit Karma. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your email address and complete the registration process. Access account. Once your email address is verified, you can log into your Credit Karma account using your email address and password.